How to find watch later playlist on YouTube desktop. So let's get started. Firstly, go to any web browser and tap on the youtube.com in the search address bar. Once done so, log into your account if you have not already, and once logged in, let's search for the video to keep in watch later. So all you have to do is tap on the three dot option available right below the video and a drop down menu will appear, and from there tap on the watch later option. Tap on it and tap on watch later. Now all you have to do is go to the left hand side of the YouTube homepage, and from there look for the watch later option and simply tap on it to navigate to watch later playlist. Now scroll down and look for the video you want to watch, and here you will find the list of videos of watch later. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.